Pinterest affiliate marketing for passive income. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Now there are a couple of different examples, but the best examples that I have found online and the best examples that I think actually work is Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, in order for you to do the affiliate marketing on Amazon, you will need an associate account, or basically an affiliate account. So for that, you need to have an affiliate account on Amazon Associates. All right, you can use your own Amazon account. It's pretty simple to go ahead and sign up. You just sign up with the Amazon account and you're good to go. Then all you got to do is submit some of your tax information, then your account is complete. So you can see over here there's quite a lot of different information right here. So you can see currently it's incomplete, so we can go ahead and click over here and complete it. But for now, I don't want to do this right now since it's quite a long process. So what I'll do is I'll skip that, but we'll move on, right? So once you have an Amazon Associates account, you will have the ability to get the affiliate links on Amazon products. So for example, like this one right here, the Converse, right? If you want to promote Converse, you can easily find the affiliate link. So right here, we've got Converse for men, for women, right? This like the unisex right here, low tops, high tops, all of those platforms, and mid tops as well. So let's just say that we want this one, right? This one is $59.99, right? And here at the top, you can see we have this bar right here. It's $59.99. And here at the top, you can see we have the category, right? This little bar right here, this is the side stripe. It is mostly used for getting the link, getting the affiliate link, right? So we got all these different options. This one is $42, this one is $54. This is like the classic one, so we can go ahead and select this one, right? We got other options as well. Like you can see, we got so many different options, but let's go with the classic one. $54, 4% commission right here, right? And this is the category. Then we just simply click on the link, and this will get us the link right here. Now, how do you promote them? Well, it's pretty simple, right? This is just for the shoes one, but you can pretty much do this for any other product you want. The products that I recommend mostly is products that are actually helping people, right? Or solving some sort of problem that they have, right? For me, let's say, I have a lot of problem with my clothes, right? Like I change a lot of clothes on a daily basis. So I really need to get like a hamper, but not like those ugly ones, like those big ones, something small. So for that, we can go ahead and find those hampers as well. But as an example, we'll take a look at something on, Instagram. So here I just search for Amazon finds, right? Amazon products, or I can just simply come over here and search for Amazon products or something like that, like this one, right? So we got a bunch of different options. So you just simply click on it and, see how it works. Mainly how it works is it's basically simple products that are relatively inexpensive, like this one. Pretty simple, relatively inexpensive, and really easy to use. And it looks kind of cool as well. So this one is helpful for dishwashing. You won't need those scrubs or anything like that. It has the built-in soap, and you can just simply use it to scrub. And it's as simple as that. That's pretty much what we're doing. You can also find some examples on TikTok as well. A lot of people actually use it on TikTok. So here you will find a bunch of different products that are solving some sort of problem that is relatively easy to fix, right? And these products are relatively inexpensive, and they're easy to use, and they look cool, and they're cool to have. Like this one right here. Oh no, spilled the drink. But now we have this little section right here. We can of course push it all the way to the back as well. It will also have cup holders, additional storage, keeping phones as well. So yeah, that's a pretty cool product. So definitely we can use something like that. So you can just simply find those products over here and make those videos right here. And these videos are pretty simple and easy to do, like this one right here. This one has 7 million likes over here. So I have a cat and her hair is a bit of a problem, and this product would go really, really well, right? And what do we do over here? We click on the profile, and we have the link right here where we can find the products. Then we click over here. This is of course mainly a cat account, but as I said before, you could pretty much use this method on any other products you want. So if we click on this person's profile, we find the link right here. This is a Amazon, or this is actually a bio site. It will contain all of her sites and all of her products. So if we click over here, boom, all of her products are over here. We've got the portafilter cleaner, portable skillet, all these different products that are featured on her website. And this is her Amazon US shop right here. Click over here, it'll take us to her Amazon shop and all of the products that she's currently promoting. And whenever we buy these products from her, she'll probably get a commission. It's as simple as that. So you can see right here, we can find these products as well, and we can start selling these products as well. All we need to do is just make a video showcasing these products, right? These are simple, small videos, like not even a minute long. We're just showing them, right? So this gadget right here, this is just the gadget that we just opened up right here. And we can see it's pretty simple. She's using it, right? We don't really need to buy all the colors. We just buy one and start using it. And then we just create a video similar to this one. And boom, it's as simple as that. People will get views. People will be like, oh, wow, that looks cool, right? She's got like 243,000. Let's say even 100 people of 100, or maybe like 100 is pretty small, but let's say 200 people out of those, right? That's like 2% of her views, like 1%. They buy that product, right? What's the commission rate on this one? 4%. What's the price on this one? Let me see, like this one. I don't see the price, but it should be right. Oh, it's $23. All right, it's 23. This one is 32. This one is 24, but it's different. And we can pretty much make like $4 or $5, or maybe even less. But if multiply that by like a large number of people, like 200, that's like that's like $400 right there, right? It's pretty easy. And yeah, we can create that. So you can pretty much create a site like this one, bio site with Linktree, because Linktree is free and I have an account over there as well. So I'm going to log in and show you. And then you create a Linktree account, pretty similar to this one, with all the products that you have. And you just upload the links of those products right here. You can see right here, I have that right here. So this is the shop right here, and we can see all of the products right here. This is the shop section as well in Linktree. But if you don't want the shops, you can just simply put the links right here at the start over here and in front, and people can just buy it. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you can, and you can do the exact same thing on Pinterest as well. Just simply sign up and you can create videos like that, post them on all three channels, I think, on Pinterest, on TikTok, and on Instagram as well. And boom, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So that's how you can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.